Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys two of the best gold color I've seen people say so far on Dress to Impress. If you think there's any more gold colors that are good, let me know in the comment section down below. But as you can see, I'm like wearing two. So the first one, I don't really like it. Wait, let me open it up first. It is the A18A5D. That's the code. And the other one is D5A448, which I have all over this costume. I think for me, that one looks a little bit better because it looks more gold. The other one looks a little bit more bronze. Unless you have like shaders and like really high quality, you can see it's better. But for me, I think this is the best color. So if you want to have like a really cool gold moment, I suggest using this hex code, which is D5A44D, and I will have it hopefully in the description box if I don't forget. And that is it. This is the best gold color for me, but a lot of people have different opinions. You can also, I think, in my opinion, use the gold pattern, but not every outfit item supports that. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.